Hello and welcome to our crash course in teaching kids yoga. It's great that you're here. I'm Jaime. I write and present Cosmic Kids Yoga, and I want to unlock kids yoga teaching for you. This free course is designed to make teaching kids yoga clear enough and exciting enough that you want to start teaching tomorrow, because you just feel so confident and excited about doing it. So it's really wonderful that you're here with me. I've been a kids yoga teacher since 2010, and prior to that I was acting in theatre and TV and working as a kids entertainer. I now lead yoga on Cosmic Kids Yoga. There are now a few million kids tuning in and following my online classes in schools and homes around the world. I'm also a qualified adult yoga teacher, ERYT 200, and a qualified kids yoga teacher, RCYT, with Yoga Alliance US. In terms of teaching teachers, I have led face-to-face kids yoga teacher training programs in both the US and the UK, and we have had more than 20,000 people through this crash course, and more than 2,000 awe-inspiring people through my full teacher training course, Getting Started in Kids Yoga. Over the years, I have definitely honed my craft. I've learned how to keep kids engaged so I can pass on the benefits of yoga, despite short attention spans. I've also worked on how to explain what I do and how I do it, and this is what I want to share with you now. The first of our 3 videos is about the poses, the building blocks in kids yoga, and how we turn them into a universe for the kids. I'll also be giving you a free ebook to download in that video, our big yoga posture book. This is 115 kids yoga poses with images, detail on how to instruct them, plus teaching tips and the anatomical focus of each pose. Next up, in video 2, we dive into the magic of storytelling. This is where we learn how the kids become the heroes of any yoga adventure. How to make the kids want to know what happens next so they stay with you right till the end. Finally, video 3 is all about energy. Now, you don't need to be a Duracell bunny to teach great kids yoga. You just need to know how to modulate your energy so the kids stay interested in what you have to say. Okay. So that's what we're looking forward to. Come on, let's do this. Next up, poses.